ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது என்னென்னா பஞ்சதந்திர கதைகள். மோகன்தாஸ் டேக்ஸ் அ ஸ்பெல்லிங் டெஸ்ட் அப்படின்ற கதை. It was a typical day at Airfed High School in ராஜ்கோட், குஜராத். அதாவது ஒரு நாள் வந்து டிப்பிக்கல் டே. அன்றைக்கி வந்து ஏர்ஃபெட் ஹை ஸ்கூலில் வந்து ராஜ்கோட்டில் இருக்க, குஜராத்தில் இருக்க ராஜ்கோட் ஏர்ஃபெட் ஹை ஸ்கூலில். இந்த ஸ்கூல் வந்து ஒரு ஸ்கூல் ஆட் அ பிக் கிரவுண்டு. ஸ்கூலில் வந்து பிக் கிரவுண்ட் இருக்குது. பாய்ஸ் வேர் ரன்னிங் அபவுட். பாய்ஸ் வந்து ரன்னிங் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காங்க. அப்புறம் சம் வேர் பிளேயிங் ஃபுட்பால்ஸ். ஒரு சில பேர் வந்து ஃபுட்பால் விளையாடிருக்காங்க. அப்புறம் ஒருத்தர் வந்து ஒன் பாய் ஷவுட்டட், லுக், த பாய்ஸ் saw an Englishman ரைடிங் அ பைசைக்கிள். ஒரு பையன் வந்து கத்திட்டு, அங்கே பாருங்கள், எல்லா பாய்ஸும் பார்க்குறாங்க, இங்கிலீஷ் மேன் வந்து ரைடிங், அதாவது பைசைக்கிளை ஓட்டிகிட்ருக்கார். பிஹைண்ட் ஹிம் அ Pino who had to run to keep space with the rider. அதாவது பினோன்றவர் வந்து அதாவது ஸ்பேஸ் வந்து விட ரன் ஓடிட்டுருக்கார். அப்புறம் as they entered the school compound, the headmaster came out to receive the guest. அவங்க வந்து ஸ்கூல் காம்பவுண்ட் கிட்ட போனோடனே ஹெட்மாஸ்டர் வந்து கெஸ்ட்டை ரிசீவ் பண்ண வந்துட்டார். The visitors shook hands with the headmaster and both walked in. ரெண்டு பேருமே நடந்து போயிட்டுருக்காங்க. Someone whispered that the school inspector, Mr. Giles. The boys were nervous. They were afraid of inspection. Just then the school bell rang. It was a signal for all students to go to their classes. I want to go around and see what the boys have learned, Mr. Giles said as they walked briskly. The headmaster started walking towards the class with the brightest students, but Inspector Giles stopped him. You attend to your work. I will find my way. அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறார். அப்புறம் the school inspector, Mr. Giles வந்து entered the classroom with that Mohandas Gandhi was in. He decides to give students a spelling test. ஓகேவா? அப்புறம் வந்து மிஸ்டர் கில்ஸ் entered the first class. He came across the students, sprang to their feet and greeted him in unison. Good morning, sir. What's going on? Mr. Giles asked the teacher. This is the English class, sir, replied the teacher. Boys, I am going to give a dictation test. Take out your slates and chalks, and said the Mr. Giles. The boys immediately took out the slates and looked at him with rapid attention. Mr. Giles dictation 10 words. The English teacher was nervous. He could be blamed if the boys made too many mistakes. He went around the class as the boys got busy writing the words on the slate. The teacher stopped at the desk. A boy named Mohandas was trying hard to get the spelling right. Teacher looked at the word and he had written. He could see that Mohandas had made the mistake. He had spelled the word kettle as Kettle. The teacher coughed and tapped the floor with his foot to his attention, but Mohandas did not look up. The teacher tried a couple of times more but got no response. Meanwhile, Mr. Giles was finished with the dictation. The boys lined up to show him what they returned. The inspector was happy to see all the boys most had spelled all the words correct. You have done a good job, boys, said Mr. Giles. Turning to the teacher, he said, "You have taught them well." The teacher broke with a smile. Just then Mohandas stepped forward with a slate. Mr. Giles took one and looked. "You got this wrong one, my boy." He circled a word. The teacher's face fell. "The correct spelling is Kettle, kettle." "Thank you, sir," said Mohandas. "I will work hard and improve." Mr. Giles patted Mohandas and moved on to the next classroom, but the English teacher was furious. "I am sorry, sir," said Mohandas. I did not know that the spelling of that word." The teacher frowned. "You could have looked at what the boy sitting next to had written. He got all the words right." Mohandas looked on. "I even drew your attention by tapping the floor, but you paid no attention," said the teacher. When Mohandas went home, he told his mother what had happened in school. You did the right thing by not copying the answer," said his mother. "If Raj Aristar were in your place, he too could have done the same thing." Mohandas beamed. He loved to play Harichandra the Truthful. This story of young Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who later became well known as Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.